Karnataka Governor Thaawarchand Gehlot today accepted the resignation of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. The outgoing Chief Minister will continue as caretaker Chief Minister until his successor is formally sworn in. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar is set to become the next Chief Minister of Karnataka. In an official communication, Raj Bhavan confirmed that the resignation had been accepted and that the Council of Ministers headed by Siddaramaiah had been dissolved. Siddaramaiah had submitted his one-line resignation letter on Thursday, May 20th, 2026 to the Governor's Special Secretary as Governor Gehlot was away in Indore for personal reasons. Before the official announcement, Siddaramaiah met Congress leader Rahul Gandhi at Sonia Gandhi's residence, 10th Janpath in New Delhi on Friday morning. He was accompanied by his son Yatindra. The leadership transition marks a major political development in Karnataka, with D.K. Shivakumar now preparing to assume office as the state's next Chief Minister. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.